too much batteries. I gotta take them out. Ugh. Only 4 are gonna be in here. Okay, 5. Five batteries. Is it this ball? They're carrying it really easy. Yeah, they like playing with that ball better. Whoa! This one's getting really dead. I know, this room is pretty dark. I wish that regular hex bug could work in here, but they always get stuck between the legs. Banana gets stuck between its legs. Both of those kinds that look alike, except that one's pink, not red. See, the brown one got stuck on it. See, that's what they do. That's what happens. The marble. There's 6 batteries in. Well, 6 is good enough. No more than 6. It was making him get stuck a little bit, kind of. Yeah, it works a little bit in here, so I think I'll keep it in here. And the Brown! What is with you, Brown? His name, I think his name is gonna be Brownie. You know, like a brownie. Ah.